Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. There were some dense fog patches once again in southern parts of the UK, but it's the last morning for some time because it's turning increasingly cloudy, breezy and particularly wet and windy in the northwest during the rest of Thursday and into Friday. This wedge of moist, warm air coming from the Atlantic will effectively dump a load of rainfall across northern parts and western parts of Britain, particularly over the higher ground of northwest UK. And so this is the rainfall radar from earlier today. You can see that rainfall setting in quite early on across western Scotland and also arriving into Northern Ireland, northwest England, and a few spots of rain there into West Wales. Ahead of it, the fog lifting during the next couple of hours, if any remains. Cloudy skies drifting in as well, but it's going to be fairly bright East Anglia and the southeast, if not becoming increasingly breezy. Strengthening winds elsewhere and thicker cloud with outbreaks of rain in many northern and western parts, but the rain heaviest and most prolonged western Scotland, northwest England, North Wales and the higher ground of Northern Ireland. With that wind reaching gale force for the north and west of Scotland, well, it will drive particularly high rainfall totals through Thursday and into Friday for the higher ground of western Scotland. 70 to 80 mils, perhaps more than 100 mils in some prone locations. Yellow warning force because of the risk of localised flooding as well as transport disruption. So a lot going on in the northwest, but largely dry and quiet in the southeast. It's here where we'll have the lower temperatures, marginally milder compared to recent days because of the earlier clearance of any fog patches. However, the winds do push outbreaks of rain, thicker cloud across most parts overnight. The rain tending to be on and off, turning increasingly showery for parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but more persistent spells of rain by the end of the night into Wales and the southwest, along with that strengthening wind. A very different feel to things as we wake up on Friday in the south because, of course, without the frost and fog, without the low temperatures, we replace it with wind and rain. Unsettled conditions to begin Friday. Tricky on the roads for a different reason rather than fog. It's wind and rain, but it does get out of the way reasonably quickly, at least the thicker cloud and the outbreaks of rain. Showers follow, and these will be particularly potent for southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, early part of the day and then into the afternoon for central parts of England, into Wales and the southwest. Hail and thunder couldn't be ruled out, along with particularly gusty winds associated with these downpours. Meanwhile, just more standard showers push into northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland, turning a bit colder with some sleet and snow over the higher ground of northern Scotland. So a lively day to come, but, well, temperatures will be up compared to recent days across much of England and Wales, a little bit down for Scotland and Northern Ireland. 13 or 14 Celsius possible in the southeast, and largely dry, quiet start to the weekend. Actually, Saturday's looking like a fair day for much of England, eastern Scotland, parts of Wales for a time, and before further west, thicker cloud arrives by the afternoon. Dribs and drabs of rain into Northern Ireland, western Scotland, parts of western England and Wales before the main event pushes in by Saturday evening and overnight, turning wet and windy, followed by showery conditions on Sunday. So the weather in a very changeable, buoyant mood over the next few days. Worth keeping up to date with all the very latest by following the Met Office on social media or by downloading the Met Office app. Bye-bye.